Hello everyone, and welcome to the third video of Yourhythmics.com. That's Y-O-U, Rhythmics. And welcome to the Rhythom. Now this was not the video I was planning on making. Videos sometimes happen when I'm planning other videos. Before a yoga class, I was working on a section of the video I was planning to make. The yoga teacher approached me right before class. She's very interested. She says, "What are you doing? What were you doing there?" And I explained, and I think that the musical math she didn't quite get that, but she looked at me and she said, "Proprioception." Proprioception. And she explained it to me, but I looked some definitions up. Proprioception from Wikipedia is the sense of the relative position of one's own parts of the body and strength of effort being employed in movement. Here's another. This is from Medicine.net. The ability to sense stimuli arising within the body regarding position, motion, and equilibrium. Alright? That's cool, because that would be a pretty good definition of the rhythm that I've been trying to... So maybe the rhythm, this concept, is a musical, rhythmic version of proprioception. This is what I was doing in class. I was working on a new application of video 1. Remember video 1 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, and then 3s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, all shared within the same grid matrix. But my new application goes like this. I'll do the whole thing a little bit for you. Okay, that's a new application of it. Now that's kind of silly, but because people, but the people talk about coordination sometimes in terms of rubbing your belly. It's almost a cliche, right? So I decided to do that. Let me break it down for you. Okay, first of all, the 5. All right. Now, if you haven't seen video 1, that would be the thing to do to really get this. But here we go. The 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that was on video 1, but now it's a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm kind of patting my tummy, and I'm going. That's clockwise for you, right? Counterclockwise for me. All right. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, great. Now, 5 and 3, 15. 15 points of the grid matrix before we start over again, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1, right? All right, now when I do this, I'm going to actually change hands after that. Next one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I didn't do that right, did I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. I almost did that one right. Okay, get the idea. Now, for this, though, different. I'm going to move back and forth. I'm going to kind of click my heel. You can't really hear that, but I'm doing that. I'm going to do the whole sequence for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember in video 1 I said there were 30? Actually, in this case, there are 60. Because if I were to have started, again, the new sequence, it would have started on my left side. Okay? So it's kind of interesting because last time I talked about maybe a geometric way of understanding it. I don't know if it's geometric, but circles, different circles happening at different rates. But when do they come back to 12? When do they come back to 12 o'clock at the same time? Now what's happening is, all right, you have different rates. Let's break it down. I guess the fastest one would be the 2, right? Then you have 1, 2, 3, 1, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. But it's really I'm going to call just the beginning of the 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. That's a slower circle. But what's the 4th circle I'm adding now? Well, it could be a few different things but the way I'm thinking of it is large 3s. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, left. Back to the beginning, right? That was twice as long. It was 60 of these. All right, so this is kind of going, It's going very slowly. Okay, how many is that? Start there. All right. So you got so okay. So a whole sequence would be going. Would have. I really have no idea. Oh, okay. Anyway, it would be 1, 2, okay. Guess there are 5 of them. 1, back to the beginning. All right. So, all right. So that's a very 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Here's another cool analogy. Layers of an onion. Layers of an onion. I like that one. That one works too. I like that. An hour and an hour and an hour later. Yeah. I love analogies. I mean, I used to be actually addicted to metaphors, but I sought medical attention for that, and the first thing they did was put me on analogies. All right, once I kicked out, I guess I'm all right. All right. So, well, anyway, so I think that's the end of the video, and I'm going to make another video soon. I'll make the video I was planning to make, but I mean, I just wanted to say this just in case something went wrong. A video may happen when planning on making the original video I was planning on making. Whatever. I guess we'll see. Now, if you want to communicate with me in any way, like you want to ask me a question, then what you can... Oh, wait a second. I left a whole bunch of stuff out. Well, you can ask a question. You can, if you're seeing this on YouTube, then you can ask a question in the comments, or you can go to yourhythmics.com, and what you do is you just send in there's a way to communicate with me on that. All right, if you want me to work something out, whatever. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more here. I forgot about this.